Having to deal with a seizure disorder, on top of everything that the life throws at us, can be a very emotionally draining experience. Depression, anxiety, and insomnia, as well as the feelings of isolation and despair, can become overwhelming and feel like they're too much to handle. And here's Virginia with her own reflections of what it means to her to live with epilepsy and having to deal with seizures. This is a very personal and emotional experience, and we are sharing it with you so you can stop feeling isolated and come to an understanding that there are others just like you going through the same emotional roller coaster every day. Hear her out, and at the end of the video, I will give you a few tips on how to improve your own emotional state. Here she is.
Hey, well, I didn't manage to go out or, like, get my run done. I actually had a seizure today, and I've pretty much been in bed all day. It sucks. I think I took my medication maybe too late because I had a seizure pretty much right after I took my medication, but it was like a seizure that I was aware of, like I was aware during the seizure, and it was like my other seizures, because I usually have grand mal seizures where I black out and I get stiff and then I shake. But this time I actually didn't black out. I was aware of it the whole time, and it was pretty painful during it, and I wasn't able to talk, and it scared me a lot, and I was crying for like a couple of hours afterwards because it just scared me so much. I bit my tongue, and it, like, usually during my seizures I don't feel when I'm biting my tongue, so I don't feel the pain during the biting the tongue. I just feel the after pain, like when I get out of the seizure. But pretty much this time I actually felt it, and I wanted to scream so much, but it didn't come out, and it's just difficult to handle. It's just it's hard to explain to people who don't have seizures. So, like, mostly people who have seizures, some understand what I go through. Some have different seizures, and some have only experienced one seizure in their life, and they're lucky ones because they don't have to really continuously go through it. But I think maybe I was aware during the seizure because either because I'm improving, or the medication made me, like, it started to take effect. Maybe that's why the seizure wasn't that long, and my tongue actually hurts a lot, and it's hard to talk, and it's not as hard now because it wasn't that bad, but I didn't bite it that hard or that long this time. I don't know what was different about it, but usually during a seizure, I bite my tongue pretty hard and for pretty long, and it starts to bleed. But this time it was only just a little bit of scarring and no major bleeding or anything. But it still hurts like a bitch, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, and I've been in bed like all day, and like it's just now I'm feeling like well enough that I don't have like a major headache, but it's seriously, I still feel the pain. Like right after the seizure, if I got up, it felt like somebody was smashing me in the head with a bowling ball. Or even if I was just lying down, it felt like somebody was hitting me in the head with a hammer. Now, when I get up, it's like feeling like a hammer, not a bowling ball anymore. But while I'm lying down, it just feels like somebody's slapping me in the head. Some people do understand it, and some people don't. Some people see negativity. I really, I really just find it as a way to be determined to keep myself healthy and improve my overall mental and physical and emotional health, and to keep striving for that overall health, and hopefully one day, with all this effort that I have been putting in for the past year, I've been working out like pretty much every day for the past year, and it's pretty hard. But I'm working towards helping myself, and hopefully it works, and hopefully one day I'll be free of seizures forever. I'll post a video tomorrow. The past two were just like, the first one was like last night, and then the previous one right before this one was like this morning. But yeah, I've actually only had time to post videos today, and I took the videos yesterday and this morning, but I just wasn't feeling really up to actually posting them. But now I can post them, I guess. That's pretty much it, and have a good day. No, good night. I hope you, I don't know, you find something that makes you happy, because being happy is very important, and just try to work on staying happy, whatever makes you happy. Like, if it doesn't damage your health and your relationships with your friends and your family, then if it makes you happy, like the song, if it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, good night. Hopefully you look at the moon and know that everybody else in the world who's looking at the moon is looking at the same time, and you don't feel as alone.
And time has come for the tips of the day. If you are in a state of deep depression, anxiety, or despair, you must seek professional help. If you feel helpless, isolated, and don't have funds, there are many government, youth, and community programs that can help you. Do not be afraid and reach out. The sooner you get the help with dealing and understanding your emotions, the better. Thanks for being with us today. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for epilepsy awareness. Click on the bell button to get notified when the new videos come out. Lots of love to all of you guys, and especially today because it is Valentine's Day. Join us for Valentine's special because we're going live.